La 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 la, Elmo's world. La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's world. Elmo loves his goldfish, his crayons too.
Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful Sesame Street bags with items that you can actually find at the dollar store. The bag that's on the left side, I use these borders. They come 14 in a pack. So you can find these in the teacher's corner in the dollar store. There they are. So this is another product that I found in the dollar store. They're Sesame Street flashcards. Beginning words was the one that I chose because I noticed that these flashcards had the characters printed on the flashcard bigger than the other ones. So they have different type of flashcards, colors, learn with me. There's different types. So I chose these because, as you can see, the picture that's printed is larger. And you'll notice that when you go to the dollar store and you look through these flashcards. And my favorite item that I found in the dollar store was these die-cut shapes.
His crayons too.
I also purchased the purple bags at the dollar store, and they're 3 for $1. I wanted the purple bags because I wanted to represent Abby. This is a party for a little girl that's turning 2, and her name is Emily. We will also be using this foam mounting tape, and this item is going to be absolutely perfect for this project because it creates a 3D effect. And I also found this at the dollar store.
You like to dance and sing too. Emily, that's your world. You did it! Congratulations! Elmo's so proud of you.
Well, here I am in my tubby again, and my tubby's all filled with water and nice fluffy suds. And I've got my soap and washcloth to wash myself, and I've got my nifty scrub brush to help me scrub my back, and I've got a big fluffy towel to dry myself when I'm done. But there's one other thing that makes tubby time the very best time of the whole day. And do you know what that is? It's a very special friend of mine, my very favorite little pal. Oh, rubber ducky, you're the one. You make bath time lots of fun. Rubber ducky, I'm awfully fond of you. Bo-bo-bo-dee-o, rubber ducky, joy of joys. When I squeeze you, you make noise. Rubber ducky, you're my very best friend, it's true. Oh, every day when I make my way to the tubby, I find a little fella who's cute and yellow and chubby. Rub-a-dub-dubby, rubber ducky, you're so fine, and I'm lucky that you're mine. Rubber ducky, I'm awfully fond of you. Hey, rubber ducky, would you like me to scrub your back with my nifty little scrub brush? You would? Okay, how's this? Hey, you want me to scrub behind your ears? Oh, I see. You don't have any ears, do you? Well, how about your tummy? Scrub his little ducky tummy. Ooh, he's ticklish. Ooh. Oh, every day when I make my way through the tubby, I find a little fella who's cute and yellow and chubby. Rub-a-dub-dubby, rubber-ducky, you're so fine, and I'm lucky that you're mine. Rubber-ducky, I'd like a whole pond of rubber-ducky, I'm awfully fond of you. Oh, rubber ducky, you're the one. You make bath time lots of fun. Rubber ducky, I'm awfully fond.
The other thing that you can do with these cards, you can take an X-Acto knife and just cut around the picture so that you get just the character alone. So that's something else that you can do with these flashcards.
Every day when I make my way through the tubby.
Use my X-Acto. And with the X-Acto knife, I was able to cut Big Bird. And this is something that you can also do with the flashcards. If you do that, I believe it would give it more character and a better appearance than just having that rectangular square look. Either way, your bags are going to look fabulous.
Hey, you want me to scrub behind your ears? Oh, I see. You don't have any ears, do you? Well, how about your tummy? Scrub his little ducky tummy. Ooh, he's ticklish. Oh, every day when I make my way through the tubby, I find a little fella who's cute and yellow and chubby. Rub-a-dub-dubby, rubber-ducky, you're so fine, and I'm lucky that you're mine. Rubber-ducky, I'd like a whole pond of rubber-ducky, I'm awfully fond.
I bought these chocolate-covered sunflower seeds from the Sunflower Food Company, which I feel like they represent the Big Bird, and they're very colorful and delicious. This is a cutout that I did from the wall borders with the X-Acto knife. Something that you can do with the flashcards. I also want to show you something else that you can do with this wall border. You can just take a piece and wrap it around a box. So there's endless possibilities with this wall border. Thank you for watching.